Hello world, this is Danny Kabuhat. And then
My name is Freddy.
Freddy, and you are the manager of
I'm
what?
the manager of your restaurant
Your restaurant in what
Yes.
part of the what city?
in Cape Town,
Cape Town?
situated in the Onyx Hotel, opposite Cape Town Convention Center, and close to Christian Banner. Very central. Very central, and it's easily accessible.
And what kind of food are you offering?
We've got
yeah,
it.
you can.
All right.
You got this one.
Oh,
Yes, yes. Look. And then
So,
make it one
basically, we've got a bit of everything. We've got the best sushi in town. Yes.
Okay.
This is some of the sushi that we've made, like the flaming tuna and the salmon roses. We've got the best dim sums as well
Say hi.
in town.
You're in YouTube.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Cool. Yes, yes. Then the best dim sums in town, bao buns. Then we've got the main kitchen there.
Okay.
Where we've got whole lots of dishes, but done with love. Yeah? Lots of
And lots of
Asian-
customers too, like that.
Lots of yes, yes, yes. Very flavorful.
Okay.
Very flavorful. Yes, yes. The best. I believe we are one of.
Best in
I
South
believe we're
in
the best in Cape Town.
Cape Town. Okay. Thank you
We serve
again.
the best product.
What's your name again?
Freddy.
Freddy, the
Yes.
manager of View
Yes, yes.
Restaurant.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. Thank you
Very
very
good,
much.
man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Love
Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, now if we